I will, when I prepared this presentation, I saw about it, how in which way to prepare it, and I think then I decided to prepare it in a way that you understand and that investor understand our business, that our investors understand what is the opportunity, what is the problem, because the business always starts with the problem, and when you can solve the problem, then you find opportunity. And we believe we found the problem on the Czech market at least, and the problem is also spread across Europe. And we are trying to develop and improve steadily the solution for the problem. And now I will show you exactly what is it. There is no doubt that internet traffic is growing. It's growing daily. It's growing day by day, it's growing month by month, it's growing year by year. Some statistics say it's growing, it's doubled every year. Some say it's tripled, whatsoever. This one by itself is not a problem. This is normal behavior because people use new iPhones and new iPads. Files are larger, people have more computers, people are connected and so on. But the real problem is that this growing internet traffic is still using the legacy infrastructure. This legacy infrastructure, of course, is not all the way. Some of the infrastructure has been already upgraded to better infrastructure, but the biggest problem and growing problem, what is today happening, is in the last mile of the infrastructure. Last mile means it is the mile from the single house or multi-dwelling unit from the customer to somewhere to central office, so it is in the city. Between cities, the problem does not exist because big guys, big telecommunication companies already invested there. It was not problem invest there because they digged in the places where they do not need to pay huge money to cities and so on. And it was very simple to install this infrastructure between cities. But inside the city, today, there is still a legacy infrastructure, and this legacy infrastructure is getting tired. What does it mean? It means that this infrastructure is not slowly able to deliver the services. For example, if you want to deliver via copper lines, IPTV, you can do it only when the customer is very near to so-called this one, this kind of exchange. If you are far from this one, from this exchange, then you cannot have good services. You cannot have IPTV, or you can have it but in very bad quality, and you cannot have very high speed of internet. There is a solution for this problem, and the solution is it's time to replace the last mile copper lines, and the solution is fiber optics, and it is most probably the final solution. Fiber optics is using flight to deliver the data, and it does not matter whether this is 1 kilometer, 5 kilometer, or 10 kilometer from the exchange. It delivers always the same quality, and this is very important. This system or this technology can deliver more or less unlimited speed. It depends only which kind of boxes you put at the end of this technology. Now the question is, why don't they replace it in the city? The solution is here, why don't they dig again? Telco guys would love to build the fiber in the last mile, and they will love to have it, to own it. Customers would love to use it, because it really delivers great speed, very clear picture on TV and so on, yeah? And but the problem is that big guys, at least on Czech market, they are not doing this replacement. Why? Incumbent, for example, they have these copper lines. When they calculate business case, so it replace, and they say, okay, we have it, what we do with the old technology? Do we write it off, or do we rather make a strategy? So they are in kind of not pretty good situation to make this decision. Yeah? I think this is maybe it's a similar situation in Poland. The other guys, the other big guys on Czech market, yeah? I will not name the brands, but I used to work for T-Mobile or for one of them, and I exactly know what was the discussion. Should we do it? Should we not do it? How do we do it? Do we wait for consolidation? Do we wait for someone who will come and consolidate, buy existing fiber networks and build new one, and then we buy him? Or this kind of strategical discussion have been there, and so big guys are reluctant to decide and go. So telco guys don't build the last mile of the problem. The problem is what I described. They are not able to they do proclamation. Okay, we do incumbent says every year or every 2 years we do optic fiber, but this is more or less marketing pronunciation, and more or less what they did as an incumbent. They did a pilot, I think, with 2,000 pieces out of 5 million. Replaceable, and they did the pilot, and it stopped there. Now they are looking again what and how to do it, but they do not move forward. This is what I explained you now. Is there a solution for this problem? Is there a solution for this growing problem? This problem is really growing because internet traffic is growing, and the copper line is still the same. Every year, this problem will be bigger. Is there a solution? We have been discussing with my colleagues and developing the strategy and the best approach, what to do with that problem. And we see it, of course, as a problem on the market, but we see it as an opportunity for our business. We decided that we put together money, and that we try to consolidate, and that we build network from scratch in many cities, and that we open that network, and we invite these big guys and small guys to use this infrastructure. And they can all use one fiber and sell it to their customers. It means they don't need to take care about digging, then they don't need to take care about, let's say, active technology, because our solution is end-to-end. Not only digging, we do also the end boxes, maintenance and all this stuff. So we have developed a complete solution for big and small guys, and they can today use our infrastructure for their customers. In order investor can better imagine it, I will compare this model to the model of the airport. Airline company. This is telco guy owning customers. Airline company is approaching customers and saying, I will take you to Warsaw, I will take you to Brno, I will take you to Prague. Airline company does not need necessarily to build the airport. Airport is always built on by someone else, and airport is leasing ports for airlines. This is very similar to us. When we compare the fiber in the last mile, we say we build an airport. And airlines, these are the guys, can use it, can take care about their customers. How do we do it? We have one important strategic intention not to become very famous. Why? There are good reasons not to be very famous, because I will explain also later. Because if you are famous and you knock on the door of multi-dwelling unit, then the guy opens and says, oh, I know you, I know your face, you are a rich guy, you will pay me money. And this is one of the reasons why the telco guys have a very high cost when they build the network, when they would build the network. When guys in shorts come and ask the owner and tell him, I will make you last mile to the network, and I will make it for you, I will make it open. It means I will dig your garden only once, and I will open it for all these brands, and then you will have competition there. So you can choose. You can choose 1 month later, you can choose 1 year later, and change the operator who is delivering your services. And they will deliver the services to you on one single fiber. It means on one digging to your garden. The same is valid for city. If we dig city is happy if we dig it only once. It means city likes when the network is open. This is according to our experience, and what we know and what we see is that when we knock on the door of the city hall and explain the concept, city likes it, and with one breath we say also, we have also expectation from your city. We would like to see your commitment. We would like to see that you help us with certain things. We have a list of things that can help us. And we also expect that you will not kill the project by the right of use. When you dig, you need to pay per meter right of use for the owner of the field. And many times this kills project, this kills building. So we say to the city, yes, we build it, but we expect excellent conditions in right of use. And city understands it. And this is the reason why we can build also cheaper as the big companies. This is also, I think, important to understand for our shareholders.